your new vision. This appearance should be the best in the history of Reno. The color combination of silver and silver makes me most surprised. It's a very narrow metal frame that makes the phone look very thin. You can compare the iPhone with only 1/3 of the technical sense. The back plate of the silver glass looks like a kind of uneven texture. The heart movement is very special. In addition, Oppo has a little thought. It's a texture style with its own phone case. Let's take a look. It's a perfect fit. And that's it. 179G and 5000 mAh big battery. The whole machine also has a metal steel anti-shake structure. The front screen is also a Corning Big Star Glass 2nd generation. The anti-shake and anti-spray of RP65 is also supported. I can only say that the knife is really good. Next is also my most satisfied experience. This screen uses the design of Dengshan Civic. The whole effect of the screen is as if it has come out. The advantage is that the texture of the solid surface and the practical use of the straight screen, and it also has Pro XDR display. Partial dynamic improvement daily use, you can feel its beauty without hesitation. There is also an improvement in the eye protection. The hardware is low light and medium high brightness DC light. Low brightness 2160 Hz, high frequency PWM light, healthy beauty. Then it's the image. The image is the highlight of this time. The first highlight is the screen photo. Its screen photo display is almost the same as iPhone. The information of a picture is very large. In addition, this is the first AI video in the industry. The picture quality and details of the video can be completed for you by Reno 12 AI. And this is a real video. Oppo did not make a mistake. These 350 megapixel lenses all support AI video. All focal lengths are the same. You can share it to the social platform at any angle. Oppo knows what you want to do after taking the photo. The portrait is still the same strength as the Reno series. Whether it's light or color, or the scene performance of the 5 levels, it can basically guarantee the love of people. Camera AI play, think of it, it has it. There is also the daily AI function, that is, the content of the call and recording, AI forms a decoder for you. Compared to artificial completion, it can save about a few times the time. This efficiency can save about dozens of times the time compared to artificial. Small step English teacher, small step interviewer and small step travel assistant, etc. I feel that this should be the most complete function of mobile AI. The specific experience will be released separately in detail later. In terms of processor, it is the new speed version. The king of 120 frames is directly brought, and the chip memory is given 12G. Rain and water touch and AI signal enhancement, it has all the functions on the flagship machine. 5000 mAh battery plus 80 watts fast charge. Battery life is measured at medium and high quality. Daily and game experience is still very confident. Finally, let's try wireless communication. The underground garage scene compares the signal of network dropping chance to 0. Look at Reno 12, it is not a fake signal, but it can be tested. This function is really good. After using the Oppo Reno 12, the core experience is the appearance, screen, image and AI function. For these 4 core functions at this price point, I think it should be the best performance.